Hey everyone, welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ. I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Jack. Today we're starting our beginner's guide to English conversation, a very simple and very helpful lesson for you.
Don't worry, we'll use easy words, natural expressions, and real-life English that you can use right away.
And remember, if you're not sure how to learn or where to start, it's okay. Either way works for me. I'm easygoing about it.
Yeah, really, learning English doesn't have to be stressful. We're here to make it fun.
Exactly. And today we'll talk about some simple conversation phrases you will hear all the time.
These are words and expressions we'll discuss in this podcast, so listen carefully and enjoy.
All right, let's jump in. Ready, Jennifer?
Absolutely. Let's help everyone start speaking English with confidence. All right, everyone, welcome again to English Podcast with FTJ. Let's start our first simple lesson for beginners.
Yes. Today, we're showing you how to begin a basic conversation in English. The easy way, the natural way, the real way.
So, Jack, when someone wants to start talking in English, what's the first thing they can say?
Honestly, something super simple, like, "Hi, how are you?"
Yes, it's the classic one. And even if your English is not strong yet, you can always start with that.
And here's the good part. You don't need a long sentence. You can say, "Hi," or "Hello," or even "Hey." Very natural.
Right. And after that, you can add something small like, how's your day? Or how's everything?
Exactly. And if you want to sound even more friendly, you can say, "Good to see you."
Even if you don't know the person well, it still sounds friendly and polite.
And don't forget, if someone asks you first, you can answer simply, "I'm good," "I'm okay," "I'm doing well."
Yes, keep it easy, because for beginners, the goal is to start the conversation, not speak perfectly.
That's right. No pressure, no stress. We're here to help you step by step.
And in this episode of English Podcast with FTJ, we'll show more natural ways to start talking, even if you feel shy.
You'll see, once you start with one simple sentence, the rest becomes easier.
Exactly. So let's teach them a few more friendly openers.
Sounds good. Let's continue.
Okay, everyone, welcome back. In this part, we'll teach you even more ways to start a simple conversation in English.
Yes, and these are real phrases that native speakers use every day. Super natural, super easy.
So, Jack, what's another way beginners can start talking without feeling nervous?
Honestly, one of the best ways is to talk about the moment. Like you can say, "Nice weather today, right?"
Yes, that is such a classic. People use it everywhere, in the street, at work, in a shop.
Exactly. And if the weather is bad, you can still say, "Wow, it's really hot today." Or, "It's raining a lot today."
Right. Talking about the weather is easy and safe. No deep topics, no difficult words.
And it shows you want to start a friendly conversation. People like that.
Another simple way is to compliment someone. Something small like, I like your bag. Nice shoes. That color looks great on you.
Yes, compliments work so well, but keep them simple and polite, not too personal.
Exactly. Don't say anything too private, but small, respectful compliments open the door to conversation.
And after that, you can follow with something easy like, "Where did you get it?" Or, "Is it new?"
See? One small sentence leads to another.
That's why we're teaching all these steps in English Podcast with FTJ, so you can talk confidently.
And trust me, the more you practice, the more natural it feels.
All right, Jennifer, should we show them one more super easy conversation starter?
Yes, let's do it. All right, everyone, welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ. In this part, we're sharing another super easy way to start a conversation, even if you're shy.
Yes, and this one is something people use every single day. It's simple, natural, and friendly.
So, Jack, what is it?
Smiling. Asking about the person's day. You can say something as simple as, "How's your day going?"
Oh, yes, that is such a comfortable question. It's not too personal, it's not too formal, it's just friendly.
Exactly. And the best part? People always know how to answer it.
Right. They can say, it's good, not bad, pretty busy.
And after they answer, you can reply with something small, like, "I see," or "Oh, nice," or "That sounds good."
These are short, easy replies that keep the conversation alive.
Yes, and here's another small but powerful starter. "What are you up to?"
Very natural, and they might answer something like, nothing much, just relaxing, just working.
And again, you respond with something simple. "Oh, got it," or "Cool," or "Nice."
See, you don't need long sentences, just short, easy words, but said with confidence.
Yes, because beginner English is not about being perfect. It's about being clear, friendly, and comfortable.
And trust me, people like simple English. Nobody wants a complicated answer when starting a conversation.
True. And these little phrases help you sound natural right from the beginning.
So remember, you can always start with, how's your day going? Or, what are you up to?
And in the next part, we'll teach you more easy conversation tricks for real life.
Yes, let's keep going and help you speak English with confidence. Welcome back, everyone! In this part, we'll show you another super easy and friendly way to start a conversation, even if your English is basic.
Yes, and this one is simple, but very powerful. It's asking about the person's interests.
Right. Many beginners don't know what to say after hello, but asking about interests opens the conversation naturally.
For example, you can say, "Do you like music?" Or, "What kind of movies do you like?"
These questions are easy, safe, and very normal in everyday life.
Exactly. And the other person can answer with something simple like, "I like pop music." "I love action movies." "I enjoy reading."
And then you can keep the conversation going with short, natural replies like, oh, cool. Nice choice. Me too.
Yes, these small reactions show that you're interested, and interest builds connection.
And if you want to sound friendly but not pushy, you can ask something soft like, what do you usually do in your free time?
That one is great. Very natural, very conversational. And the answer doesn't need to be long.
Right. They might simply say, I watch movies. I play games. I listen to music.
And you can reply with something short like, "Oh, same here. That sounds fun."
See, conversation doesn't have to be complicated. Just show small interest. That's enough.
Yes, and this is exactly why we teach these simple steps here on English Podcast with FTJ. We want you to speak with confidence, not fear.
And trust me, when you ask about music, movies, or hobbies, people love to talk.
Absolutely. Everyone enjoys talking about what they like.
So remember, don't be shy. Try saying, do you like music? Or, what do you do for fun?
Great. In the next part, we'll show you another easy conversation starter that always works.
Yes, let's keep going and help you speak English naturally. Welcome back, everyone! In this part, we'll teach you another easy way to start a conversation, one that works in almost any situation.
Yes, and this one is very simple. Just ask about the person's location or where they are from.
Right. It's polite, it's safe, and people answer it all the time.
You can say something like, "Where are you from?" Or, "Which city do you live in?"
And even if you feel shy, these questions help you connect quickly.
And the answers are usually short and easy. For example, "I'm from Brazil." "I live in Dhaka." "I'm from India."
And your reply doesn't need to be long. You can simply say, oh, nice. That's cool. I've heard it's a beautiful place.
Yes, and that last one, "I've heard it's a beautiful place," Works everywhere, even if you've never been there.
True. It's a very friendly, very safe comment.
And here's another natural question. How long have you lived there?
This question makes the conversation flow, but still stays simple.
And the person might say, since I was a child. Just a few years. I moved here recently.
And you can respond with something short, like, oh, I see. That makes sense. That's interesting.
See, beginner English doesn't require big sentences, just simple, honest curiosity.
Exactly. And asking where someone is from is one of the easiest ways to start a friendly talk.
And here's a bonus tip. If you want to sound very natural, you can add a warm reaction like, really, that's awesome.
Yes, tone matters. When you sound warm, people feel comfortable talking to you.
And in our next part, we'll teach you another conversation starter that works with strangers, friends, or anyone you meet.
Yes, let's keep going and help you speak English naturally. Welcome back, everyone. In this part, we'll show you another super easy way to start a conversation. And honestly, this one works like magic.
Oh yes, this one is so simple that even absolute beginners can use it today.
And that method is asking about the present moment. Something very small, very natural.
Yes, you can ask, are you busy? Or are you free right now?
These questions are friendly and casual.
And people answer them instantly.
And if you want an easier version, you can say, got a minute? This is supernatural.
Right, very simple. And they might reply, sure, yeah, what's up? I'm a little busy, but tell me.
Even if someone is busy, they'll usually give you a polite answer.
And from there, you can continue the conversation.
Here's another way you can start a talk about the moment. What are you doing?
But remember, only use this with people you know, not strangers.
Yes, very important. With strangers, it sounds strange. But with friends or classmates, it's totally normal.
And you can also ask something very easy like, how's it going?
That one is great. It's friendly, natural, and very common.
And the good thing is the answer is always short. Good. Not bad. Pretty good.
And after they answer, you can add a simple follow-up like, nice to hear, good to know, glad you're doing well.
These small replies show that you care, and caring is the heart of good conversation.
And here's one more super simple starter. How's everything?
Yes, this one is friendly and relaxed. You can use it with friends, coworkers, anyone.
So remember, talking about the present moment is an easy way to begin speaking English.
And the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. We're here to help you step by step right here on English Podcast with FTJ.
You know what I find interesting, Jack? When people learn English, they understand the grammar, but they still get nervous speaking.
Oh, absolutely. That's super common. Many learners think they need perfect English before they start talking.
Exactly. But the truth is, even native speakers make mistakes every single day.
Yes, we say things like, you know, kinda, sorta, and we correct ourselves all the time. So learners shouldn't feel shy.
Right. And one thing that really helps is practicing small daily conversations, even simple ones.
Like asking for directions, or ordering something in a cafe, or greeting a coworker.
Yes. Actually, let's do a quick example. Imagine we meet at a coffee shop.
Okay, I walk in and I see you sitting at a table. Hey, Jennifer, mind if I join you?
Of course, Jack. Sit down. How's your morning going?
Pretty good. I grabbed a latte on the way. What about you?
I'm enjoying some quiet time before work. I love starting my morning slowly.
See, that's it. Simple, natural, friendly.
Exactly. Everyday conversations are not complicated. Learners just need confidence in a few phrases.
And the more you do it, the easier it becomes. Just like exercising a muscle.
Yes, English muscles.
Yeah, build those English muscles, one small conversation at a time.
And in the next part, we can give even more practical phrases learners can use right away.
Yes, let's keep learning together.
All right, Jack. In this part, let's teach some super useful everyday phrases. Ones that people can use in any situation.
Great idea. Short, simple, and powerful phrases, right?
Exactly. For example, one of my favorites is, could you say that again?
Oh, yes, that's a lifesaver. Learners don't need to pretend they understand everything.
Right. It's completely normal to ask someone to repeat. Even we do that.
Another great phrase is, I'm not sure I understand. Can you explain it in a different way?
That one sounds polite and confident. It shows you're trying, not avoiding.
Yes. And here's a super simple one. Give me a moment.
Oh yes, when you need time to think, perfect phrase.
Let's show learners how these phrases work in a real mini conversation.
Sure, you start.
Jennifer, I think the meeting was moved to, Thursday morning?
Could you say that again?
Sure. The meeting was moved to Thursday morning.
Ah, okay. Got it.
See? Natural. No stress. No pressure.
Exactly. And here's another helpful phrase. What do you mean?
Yes. Short and very common. And it's not rude. People use it all the time.
Let's do one more example.
Go ahead.
Jack, the system might close automatically.
What do you mean?
I mean, if we don't save our work, we might lose it.
Simple, clear, real English.
Learners just need these small tools. They make conversation so much easier.
We'll wrap everything up and give some last advice to help learners feel confident every day.
All right, Jack, we're almost at the end of today's lesson. Can you believe it?
Not at all. We covered so many helpful phrases today. I think learners are really going to sound more natural after this.
Definitely. Before we wrap up, let's share a few final tips so they can use everything confidently.
Yeah, good idea. First tip, don't be scared of making mistakes. Everyone makes them.
Yes, even native speakers. Mistakes are part of learning, so don't worry.
Second tip, use short sentences. You don't need big, complex words to sound good.
Right. Even simple reactions like, really? Oh, I see. Or, that's nice. Help the conversation flow.
Third tip, ask small questions. I love this one. Things like, how was your day? Or what about you? Keep the talk natural.
Exactly. People love when someone shows interest in them.
And last tip, listen more than you speak. If you listen well, your answers will feel natural.
Yes, good conversations are not just talking. They're about connecting.
Let's show one small example before we close everything.
Perfect. A short, real-life style conversation.
Here goes. Hey, Jennifer, how was your weekend?
It was great. I visited my family. What about you?
Nice. I just relaxed at home. I watched a movie.
Oh, really? What movie?
It was a comedy. I forgot the name for a moment.
Okay. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it was pretty funny. Oh, wait, now I remember. The Intern.
Ah, yes. I've seen that one. It's good.
By the way, I didn't catch that earlier. Where'd you say you went?
I visited my family.
Got it. Thanks.
And that's how small questions and simple reactions make a natural talk.
Exactly. Friendly, easy, and clear.
And that's it for today's session.
Keep practicing a little every day. You can do this.
We're proud of you. Keep going.
And remember, you can speak English.